Okay, now initial spin with the flywheel, clutch cover, and pulleys. So we will know how much the unbalance we put all together. Okay, the unbalance flywheel side 10 grams, pulley side 2 grams. Now we're going to balance the crank first. Alright, spinning. See how big the crankshaft unbalance. Okay, spin another time. So we need to spin another time. So spinning, the crank and balance rear is 3 grams. The front side is around 0.9 grams. We do already correction. So on the crank, we check another time. Oh, crank is balanced to tolerance already. We need to spin another time to make sure if this one really balanced or tolerant, to make sure the consistency of the thing. Alright, really balanced to tolerance the crank. So now we're going to put the pulley. So pulley, spinning. See how big the unbalance for the pulley. Alright. So the pulley is unbalanced 1.71 grams. So now we do already correction. Spin, check the pulley. Alright. Spinning. Alright, the pulley is already balanced to tolerance also. So we drill the pulley this side, and the crank balancer in the front, and the rear side here. Alright, the crank and the pulley. Now we put the flywheel. So this spacer on the flywheel aftermarket one is cannot, this one loose. So this thing have to make, we custom one. This one should be like this, tight. Not tight but fit, no play, because if got play, it will affect the consistency of the balancing, the result. So now this is the good one, like this fitting. So now on the crank side also the inner one is loose also not fit. This one aftermarket one, so this one like this also cannot. So the one we make custom one should be like this. Fit have to be very fit, no, not loose, so that we can give the good result of balancing, consistency, and the accuracy. Alright, like this fit. So we put the flywheel, the screw. So like this the result, very fit soon. Alright, so now we spin. See how big the flywheel unbalanced, because the crank and the pulley is already balanced to tolerance. So now the flywheel, we check the flywheel unbalance, how big, around 4.9 grams, almost 5 grams. Which side? Alright, this side. So we put marking with a chalk, and then we do remove some weights there, collection. Okay, we already remove some weights, we put back, and then we spin. So spinning, analyzing. Right, so this flywheel also is already balanced to tolerance with we remove weights somewhere this side around 5 grams, and this side. Alright, these 3 holes we move some weights, then balance. So flywheel already balanced to tolerance. Now we put the clutch cover. We'll check how big the unbalance for the clutch cover. One by one we put. Spinning, analyzing. Alright, clutch cover got unbalance 2.4 grams this side, this area. Alright, we do some correction here, remove some weights around 2 grams. Alright, after do the drilling, remove some weights, we spin the clutch cover. the crank spinning. Alright, so this clutch cover also balance to tolerance, the whole crank balance to tolerance. But we have to spin one more time. We make sure the consistency and the accuracy of the thing we balance. Alright, we spin one more time or another time, 3 times. Because this is the final stage, already everything balance to tolerance. Yes, same. Another time, third time spinning. Alright, so this 4G93 crankshaft is balanced to tolerance. We drill the flywheel here, the crank, the flywheel, and the clutch cover somewhere here. Alright, so the result is here, 4G93 balanced to tolerance.